Everything a first-time homebuyer needs to know about how to buy a house in New York City. Is your internet browser history filled with searches for homes for sale or neighborhood real estate stats? If so, then you should be aware that there are a few more things besides open houses and down payment that you want to be aware of in the home buying process. The NYC real estate market is one of the most competitive and expensive in the world. There are still opportunities, however, for first-time homebuyers to find affordable homes in the right neighborhoods. This can be especially overwhelming if you're a first-time homebuyer, so preparing yourself with a plan will be important. Step 1: Getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Once you've decided to buy a home, one of the first things you should really do is figure out your budget. The professional you will want to connect with first will be a mortgage broker or loan officer. Step 2: Working with a real estate agent to find your home. To help you find what's available for sale and how to get an opportunity to view these homes, you will want to work with a real estate salesperson. Most importantly, your real estate will be negotiating the purchase price and some other terms with a listing broker on your behalf, so you want to feel comfortable that you have a trusted advocate on your side. Step 3: Contract signing with your real estate lawyer. Once you've agreed for an attorney to represent you, they will review the contract. Step 4: Getting a commitment letter and title report. The timelines in the contract are generally triggered as of the date the contract is fully signed. Step 5: The mortgage lender appraisal and possible survey. Assuming a commitment letter is issued, the next step for the lender would be obtaining an appraisal of the property. One other item that you would want to check off your to-do list at this point would be to obtain a survey of the property. Step 6: Final approval and scheduling closing. Once the bank issues final approval of the mortgage and clears the file to close, the parties can work towards scheduling a closing. A closing disclosure is issued by the lender, which has to be at least 3 days before the scheduled closing date, which itemizes the cost of the loan of the buyer, as well as any additional closing costs. By creating a plan and assembling a team of professionals that you communicate well with, you can achieve your dream of homeownership in NYC fairly seamlessly. If you still have questions, or if you have an accepted offer and you want the law office of Richard Kistnen to represent you, please reach out by calling 718-738-2324, emailing info@lorp.nyc, or schedule your no-obligation virtual consultation here.